Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by measuring your nutmeg precisely. Use 0.5 to 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. You're choosing ground spice because it disperses evenly. Essential oil is too concentrated and unsafe. Once measured, add nutmeg to 1 cup of warm milk or herbal tea to help dissolve the oils and boost absorption. Make sure to stir well and let the drink cool to a comfortable temperature. Doing this first step correctly sets the rhythm for safe, effective use tonight. Now you'll take the drink 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to sleep so the active compounds can take effect. You should sip slowly. Rapid drinking can irritate the stomach. Avoid alcohol, strong sedatives, or mixing with multiple supplements because interactions can increase drowsiness or risks. If you're on medication, make sure to check with a professional. Once done, dim lights and reduce screen exposure to complement nutmeg's mild sedative properties and support natural sleep onset. Finish by observing how your body responds over the next few hours. You want gentle relaxation and easier sleep onset, not heavy nausea or disorientation. If you feel uncomfortable, stop using nutmeg and hydrate. Symptoms like headache, dizziness, or intense hallucinations mean you took too much. Make sure to lower the dose next night or skip multiple nights before retrying. One practical troubleshooting tip: if you experience vivid dreams or nausea, reduce to 0.25 T.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.